exaggerating ultimately undermines the situation. It's not helping Harry and Meghan out. People aren't stupid. It makes it seem like Harry and Meghan are just using these children for a PR boost. This is part of why none of their attempts to get good press tend to work out. Despite headlines like this seeming really, really positive, once somebody reads the article or looks a little further into it, they find out that this is basically a lie of a headline. It's over the top and transparent. And that ultimately makes somebody look even worse than just making a normal headline that's less fantastical, less fabulous, less exciting, doesn't sound quite as great, but is accurate and truthful. People respect that more than trying to lie and make it seem like it was better than it was.